Hey everyone, I'm Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of waiting forever for ice, dealing with noisy ice makers, or constantly cleaning a machine that takes up too much space, then this review is going to make your kitchen life so much easier. Today we're reviewing the Govee Smart Ice Maker. This countertop ice machine makes ice in just 6 minutes, runs ultra quiet thanks to NoiseGuard technology, and has a self-cleaning mode that keeps it fresh with almost no effort. It produces up to 44 pounds of ice per day and connects to your phone through the Govee app for smart control. Perfect for busy families, party hosts, or anyone who wants fresh ice fast without the hassle. Head over to Amazon using the link in the description and check it out. Trust me, this is one of the best smart ice makers you can buy right now. Most importantly, click that referral link in the video description to grab yours and help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let's break down the features of the Govee Smart Ice Maker. It makes fresh ice in only 6 minutes, so you never have to wait long. The machine can produce up to 44 pounds of ice per day, which is more than enough for daily use or weekend parties. It has ultra-quiet NoiseGuard technology that keeps the kitchen peaceful while it works. The self-cleaning mode runs automatically or with one button press to keep everything hygienic and fresh. Smart app connectivity lets you monitor ice levels, start or stop the machine, and get notifications right from your phone. The large water tank means fewer refills, and the compact design fits nicely on most counters. It has simple touch controls and a clear viewing window so you can see the ice being made. Setup is easy. Fill the water tank, plug it in, and let it start making ice in minutes. In real-world use, this ice maker performs impressively every day. The 6-minute ice production means you get fresh ice quickly when guests arrive or when you just want a cold drink. Reviewers with families love how quiet it runs and how the self-cleaning mode saves them time and effort. The Smart app is convenient for checking status from another room, and the ice comes out consistently clear and ready to use. The machine stays reliable even with daily use, and the compact size does not take over the counter. Many people say it replaced their old noisy ice maker and made everyday life and parties much smoother. Pros and cons to keep it real. The pros are strong. Ice ready in just 6 minutes, high daily production of up to 44 pounds, ultra quiet NoiseGuard operation, self-cleaning mode for easy maintenance, smartphone app control, compact countertop design, and excellent value for a smart ice maker. Families and party hosts say it makes hosting easier and drinks taste better with fresh ice always available. On the con side, the ice bin could be a bit larger for very big parties. It needs regular water refills during heavy use, and the app could have a few more advanced features. These are normal for countertop smart ice makers, and the pros far outweigh them for most homes. My recommendation? Yes, absolutely. Pick up the Govee Smart Ice Maker if you want fast ice production, quiet operation, and smart features that make life easier. It's fantastic for busy families, party lovers, or anyone who wants fresh ice without the wait or noise. If these honest kitchen appliance reviews are helping you upgrade your home, hit subscribe for more. And click the affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel running strong. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks so much for watching. If this convinced you to get better ice at home, give it a like, share with a friend who loves cold drinks, or subscribe. See you next time.